Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Apple ID, billing address, and the card on file. Once done, make sure the device is online and date/time are correct. Mismatched region settings will block charges. Next, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Payment and Shipping, and add or select an alternate card. Do it now so the store has a fresh, valid method. This prevents initial declines and moves you straight into resolving the payment, not completed error. You should now sign out of the App Store, restart the device, and sign back in. This refreshes tokens and often clears transient errors. If that fails, remove the failing card and add a different card or redeem an Apple gift balance to complete the purchase. At the same time, contact your bank about temporary holds, 3D secure prompts, or fraud filters. Ask them to allow the merchant charge. Once the bank confirms, attempt the payment again and watch for any on-screen security prompts. Finally, attempt the purchase again and monitor notifications for verification codes or bank messages. You may need to approve a 3D secure prompt. If duplicate charges occur, immediately request a refund or use Report a Problem in the App Store and attach screenshots. If the issue still persists, contact Apple support with your device serial, Apple ID, and receipt screenshots so they can trace the transaction. Quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable third-party VPNs or strict firewalls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.